Yo, where do you get your caps? It's probably the #1 question that I get on this channel in the comment section, as well as on Instagram, outside of cook group questions, because I get a lot of those. But definitely, where do I get my hats, or what hat am I wearing in a specific video? Where did I buy the hat? What brand is it? Those are definitely questions that I seem to answer a lot on this channel. So I figured if you guys are so interested in hats, why not do an unboxing? Because I have been ordering quite a few. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. First and foremost, before we get into the fitted caps that I'll be showing you today, I do want to talk about the snapback that I have on. So this hat is from Happy Memories Don't Die LA. You can find them on Instagram at HMDDLA_. They also made the shorts that I was rocking in an outfit video recently. I didn't feel like they got enough love, so I'm going to show them off one more time because these are fire. It's kind of like a little Kobe tribute. They call them the 8 and 24 shorts. So you can see inside the stars you have the 8 and the 24. These shorts are fire. Y'all know I love my mesh shorts, so I had to show those one more time. They're a proudly black owned business that's doing their thing right now, making some really dope stuff. You all know I wear this hat in almost every video. It's one of my favorites in the rotation right now. But we're talking about fitted caps today. We're talking about the classic 5950, so let's get it. I've gone ahead and opened up all of the boxes just to make things a little bit quicker, and I will be including B-roll so that you can see the side patches and the details on all of the hats. Let's go ahead and get into the first one. We have this black and white classic Yankee fitted, but bam, you have that pink underbrim. So this one actually doesn't have a side patch. I bought it plain because I do want to take it to an embroider and maybe get some embroidery done on it. Or I'm thinking maybe just buy my own patches and put them on the hat. I'm not sure yet, but when it's done and I've finessed it, I'll bring it back to the channel and show you guys how it turned out. Next, I have this cardinal red fitted and a Yankee logo on this one. It's kind of like a cream color. This is from the Red Velvet collection. So bam, you have that pink underbrim on this one as well. And now you kind of see it, you get it. The Red Velvet vibes, kind of like a slice of cake, the cream cheese frosting, the red all over the hat, and then that pink underbrim. I really like this one because it's red, but it's a darker red. It's not too loud, it's not too bright, so I can get away with it in the upcoming season, the fall and winter season. This one does have a side patch, the 1999 World Series. When you order fitted from Hat Club, you do get pins to go with your order. I have 2 hats, so I have 2 pins. Sometimes they're special, sometimes they're standard. It just depends on which hats you bought. First up, we have this red velvet cake slice one. So it says Hat Club Red Velvet inside of the cake slice, and it's maroon, pink, and a cream color, just like the hat. Next up, we have this black, pink, and white one that says Hat Club Exclusive. This looks more like the standard one. It's just in kind of like a special colorway, I guess. So there are the 2 pins and the 2 hats that came with my first order. Before I get to these next 2 hats, I do want to say all of these hats were purchased at retail. I did not pay resale for any of them. I know fitted hats have quite a buzz right now. They're becoming trendy again, and they're selling out just as fast as sneakers. But me personally, I'm not going to pay resale for any fitted cap. I don't care what color the underbrim is. I don't care what patch it has, unless it's something crazy, interesting, different, limited, unique. Some of these hats end up on the resale market for anywhere between $80 to $120. I'm personally not gonna pay that, and I wanted to show y'all you can have a fire hat game for retail. You don't have to break the bank for fitted caps. But let's go ahead and move on to the next one. So this was actually a collab between Hat Club and T-Mark, and I know looking at these, y'all are probably like, yo, those are the same hat, but they're not. They have 2 different patches on them. So yeah, from the front and at a basic level, they are the same hat. They're just navy blue Yankee hats, the white Yankees logo with green, Kelly green classic underbrims. There's nothing crazy about them except for these side patches. So this one right here has a 1981 side patch. And then moving on to this one, it has a 1999 World Series patch. If you're not familiar with T-Mark, He's like the king of Yankee fitteds, I believe they call him on Instagram. These both came with regular Hat Club pins, so they're just kind of like this bronze color, and they say Hat Club exclusive on them. You can never have too many navy and white Yankee hats. That's a fact. I'm pretty sure I read it in like New York Weekly. So let's move on to the next one. Next we have the green eggs and ham joint. Sam didn't like green eggs and ham, but wait for it. Bam, this hat is fire. I love the color combination on this. It does have that 1996 side patch on there. I'm just really hyped to wear this one, and again, it's usually black or blue when it comes to Yankee fitteds. This is definitely outside of that realm, but it's not like a loud green or an obnoxious green as to where I can't wear it right now. The pink lemonade collection, the cotton candy collection, those were also great fitted caps from Hat Club, but they're definitely more suited towards warm weather, summertime vibes. I can wear this right now and be perfectly fine. This hat did come with the special green eggs and ham pin. Let me know down below in the comment section. Do you rock the pins on your hat? Do you rock the stickers on your hat? I definitely feel like it's a city to city thing, kind of like a where you're from type of thing, just like, you know, what you call Air Force Ones or something like that. Let me know down below in the comment section. Sound off, because I'm interested. I don't wear the pins on my hat, but I do leave the stickers on. I call this next one the pumpkin spice colorway just because burnt orange does not sound cool. It does have that classic Kelly green underbrim, and I think the proper name for it is like campfires or something like that they were calling the collection. This colorway actually took some time to grow on me. It does have that World Series patch right there. What year is this one? 2009. 2009 World Series patch. Now the reason this colorway took some time to grow on me is because it gives me very New York starter kit vibes. This with a pair of like wheat colored 6-inch Tims, single sole, not double sole, and it's all bad. You're gonna be looking crazy. Now don't get me wrong, if that's what you intend to do with these, that's your business, but it's just too matchy for me. But I feel like if you avoid those cliches, this colorway is kind of fire. This one also came with your standard Hat Club exclusive pin, except for this one is more of a silver tone versus the other ones that are more of like a bronzy color. This one is my most recent Hat Club pickup. It's this maroon and white Yankee fitted with the 1950 World Series patch on the side. Kelly green underbrim. I really like this one. I can't wait to wear it. It's like that deep burgundy color that looks so good for the fall and the winter. And for those of you who are gonna say this hat and the hat I showed earlier are the same color, they're definitely not at all. This hat did come with your standard Hat Club exclusive pin in this bronze light colorway. Now I do have some more hats on the way. The fall haul videos are on the way. The outfit cozy season videos are on the way, and you don't want to miss any of that. So like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.